Hey, welcome back, my Scrappin' friends. This is Vanessa with Scrappin' It Up, and this is the second album of our project, our Kit Club project, number 4. So this is the second one in the series. I've already done, released album number 2, or album number 1, and number 3. This is album number 2. So, these are completely made out of file folder albums, all 3 of them, and Tyvek. Okay, and I used the beautiful collection Pretty Pale in the Midnight Garden, and then the embellishments that came with both of the collections to make this. Now, I did do the Tyvek on all 3 albums, and I did color it. I will be posting the Facebook Live where I teach you how to do this. Now this one I done a little bit. See, there's 2 different, see the difference? And I teach you how to do that, okay? I will teach you how to do it this way, and you can do it any color that you want. And this helps protect our spine of our albums, okay? Now this one here is a matchbox style, and this one's probably going to be hard to keep in camera, but I will try my best. This album measures, I already forgot, I know it measures 10, 9.5 by 10, okay? And like I said, it is like a matchbox style album. You open it up this way, okay? So you have a pocket right here, right on the front album. And I did put 2 areas where you can put some photographs. So this flips open. And then again, you have your, where you use your scraps and make photo mats. I did teach you how to do that several months ago. So if you are interested in that, please go check it out. I teach you how to do this completely. I think it was like 7 months ago, how to use up your scraps. And then this has a little booklet in here. And I just added little design paper to it and added a place for a photo. And then I just tied it with twine, just so you could journal about what everything is in this album. Just a cute little, something different, okay? So then we have this, and again, I kind of collaged it up and just used my pen and made some lines. I do this, you know, my 12 by 12 pages, and I thought, shoot, why not start doing it for a journal, or, you know, for our albums. Okay, so you have this. My shadow's getting in. Sorry about that, guys. Then here's this. Here's a belly band. So again, there's our scrap pieces that we make our photo mats. There's our belly band. And this just slides right back underneath our belly band. And then this opens up. So you have that. I love that collage paper. Love it. Okay, so you have that. Then you have that. Sorry. I thought a matchbox style album would be pretty cool, but it's a little different trying to show it on camera. Okay, here is double layered 2 slanted pockets that are layered together. Okay. Love, love. Then again, here's some more. See, like I said, you know, no 2 are alike. They're always, you know, you could make them alike, but, you know, they're always different. Then they have this, and then this, and then I done this with my envelope punch board, and this put a little mat in there and a little embellishment. Sky above me, earth below me, fire within me. That's pretty cool. Then I just made a little, and it's the, and you make it with your envelope punch board. And it just folds back. and fits right into our little side slanted pocket. Okay, so then we have this. Beautiful. This paper really is amazing. Prima outdone themselves. Really very nice. So again, we have some more of our scraps that we made photo mats out of. And it goes right underneath our belly band. So if you want to learn how to make all three of these albums, go to scrappinitup.com with no G and pick up the tutorial. It teaches you how to make these. And then this is just a little insertion place. Okay. And I've done it on both pieces. Okay. And there's that. And then again, here is another one of those double stacked pockets with our photo mats. Here, I'll lay them out so you guys can, I mean, look at them. Oops, am I in camera? Beautiful. And then I just done that sewing technique again. I hope you guys have enjoyed all three of these albums in this series. They are a lot of fun to make. And oops, I left one of my little stickers on. Whoops. They are fun to make. And like I said, they're completely out of file folders. Okay, this is the very back. And then here is this, and I made that, and that was just plain. And I think these will probably hold close to 75 photos. And there's the back of it. I guess it should be like that. Okay, that is album number 2. Like I said, there's 3 of these albums in this series. I have now showed you all 3 albums. Okay, I will be posting the Facebook Live where I teach you how to do the tie vac in these. So remember, if you want to pick these up, learn how to make these, I do offer the tutorial for purchase over on my website, scrappinitup.com. Beautiful albums, guys. I love the paper. You know, if you haven't checked out the Midnight Garden or the Pretty Pale from Prima, beautiful. Okay, so that's it, guys. As always, keep scrapping, and we will be talking soon. Bye-bye.